Welcome back to QUIZZO. Ready for the next challenge? In this quiz, you have to guess 50 flags. You only have 3 seconds per answer. This is the easy level. Good luck! India. Next flag. China. USA. Which flag is this? Russia. France. Next one. United Kingdom. Japan. Do you know which flag this is? Brazil. Mexico. Germany. Next flag. Spain. South Africa. Next one. South Korea. Which flag is this? Turkey. That's Italy. Do you know which flag this is? Canada. This is Argentina. Next flag. It's Egypt. Ukraine. Next one. This is Australia. Portugal. Which flag is this? This is Greece. That's Saudi Arabia. Netherlands. Next one. Israel. Switzerland. Do you know which flag this is? Pakistan. Next flag. This is Belgium. Norway. Next one. This is Denmark. Colombia. Indonesia. Which flag is this? This is Sweden. Nigeria. Next one. Morocco. Next flag. Austria. Do you know which flag this is? This is Ireland. Ghana. Next one. Philippines. Poland. Which flag is this? Bangladesh. Hungary. Do you know which flag this is? This is Thailand. Iran. Next flag. Czech Republic. North Korea. Next one. This is Finland. Algeria. Do you know which flag this is? Croatia. Last flag. This is Vietnam. Excellent. Pick your next challenge. And please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the QUIZZO channel. Thank you. See you soon.